In this short tutorial, I will show you how to poke someone on Facebook. Poking is a fun way to get someone's attention on the platform. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app, then tap on the search button at the top right. Then type in poke and tap search. What you want to do next is tap and select the pokes option. Now you'll be able to see all the people you can poke. You can also tap on the search bar at the top and search for specific people. To poke them, simply tap on the poke button next to them. Once you've poked someone, they will receive a notification letting them know that you've poked them, and they can poke you back as well. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.